Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm going to help you learn how to reverse a video on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy to reverse a video on the Snapchat app, watching the video till the end without skipping. In order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. In order to reverse a video on Snapchat, go to your Snapchat application and tap it open. Now sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, there are two ways you can reverse your video. The first thing to do is go ahead and make a video like you normally do. Record a video by tapping on the circle, and once you record your video from the video preview, simply swipes through the filters, and there is a slow-mo filter, fast forward filter, and you'll also be able to find a reverse filter since it's not available in my phone at the moment. There's another way you can work through this. Simply go to your video editing software. I'm using the InShot video editor. Simply tap it open, go to the video option and select a video from your camera roll. You can also take a video and simply save it on your camera roll first. In order to do so, tap on the save option. Let me just take a video from my camera roll, and after you select your video, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right from the options displayed. You'll be able to find a reverse option right here. Tap on the reverse and let your video process. Once you do that, you can simply play the video and you'll be able to see that the reverse effect is working now. Simply tap on save at the upper right and save your video to the resolution that you want selected. From the list, you can also adjust the frame rate and tap on save once the video has been saved. You'll be able to find it in your gallery or your camera roll into the InShots folder. Now simply go to Snapchat and tap the app open. Go to your camera roll option right here. From your camera roll tab, you'll be able to find the video saved on your camera roll. Now simply select the video and you'll be able to see that this is the video preview. If you want to trim the video, then you can go ahead and tap on this icon right here. Cut out the part that you don't want to involve in the video. After you're done, tap on the send option at the bottom right. Go ahead and select one of your recipients on the next page. Once you add the recipient, simply send it to them or just post it on your story. That way, you'll be able to reverse a video on Snapchat even if you don't have a reverse effect on your Snapchat. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.